To export contacts on Samsung Galaxy S25, first we need to open our Contacts app. Then click on the three dots right here and move to the settings. Here you will find Export Contacts, and you can choose the direction from where you want to export it and to the place where you want it to be. And in this case, I have my all contacts as I don't have any other option. You may have them, so you can select that if you do that. Okay, so I want to move them to my internal storage. Click on export, and then the contact.vcf has been exported to your internal storage. And basically where you can find it is when you open your files. Let me just get them quickly. When you open your files, you should be able to find recently opened files and or created files, and there will be contact right here, so you can click on it and then see them all. And that is basically everything.